Right, welcome back everybody. Today we're back on this Vauxhall Vivaro, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be mounting a solar panel on the roof of this vehicle. So I've just got it up there on the roof now. We're putting it on the ABS plastic mounting brackets. So I'll lift you up there, take you for a little look. I've actually cleaned the roof down already, and what we're going to do is we'll bring the solar panel just to one side, and then we'll get these mountings fixed. We're not going to be wiring out today because we've still got a lot of work in there before we do any wiring in there. So I just want to get this mounted on the roof of the van so it's out of the way, out of the polytunnel, so it won't get damaged. So let's take a look on the roof of this van. Right then, so as you can see, we've got the solar panel here now. They normally just come with the 4 corner brackets, but I did opt for 2 centre ones as well. So I've just put one here on this side, and then on the other side I've put it on the diagonal basically, so we've got a good support across this solar panel. And again, it's crucial to get your surfaces clean when you're going to be sticking this stuff down. And these are the little ABS plastic blocks that we've got. I say, so we were putting a bead of that Sikaflex all around there, and we were mounting it to the roof. It is quick drying, this stuff, and it's really hot today as well, so the panels are warm and it would go off really well. So once we've Sikaflexed the panels, the mounting brackets where we want them, it's just a matter of then just coming through the sides, drilling a little hole, and we'll be putting our self-tapping screws into that as well. The only holes we'll be doing is in the side here and into the side of the solar panel there, where you can see previously where it's been fixed before, this one. So this isn't a new panel, this. I got this off my uncle. It's a good size one. And I've pushed it to the back a bit because eventually I do want to be putting a little skylight roof fan in as well. So I've left a bit of room for that at the front. And I will leave a link down below for these plastic brackets where you get them. I did also get the box cover for where you do run the cable in through the roof. So when we do have to drill a hole in the roof, we'll have this box there, and that will cover it up. Again, that'll be Sikaflex to seal anything as well. So won't be fitting that today. I say we're not doing the wiring today, so it's just a matter of getting this panel fixed to this roof. That's another job done. So as you can see, it's a good sized solar panel. It's not a very powerful one at the minute, but it will do me just for what I need for starting with. And when we do come to fitting the fridge and everything else in there, I can always upgrade it at a later date, but this is a good starting point. The panels are the same size anyway. I can always just lift one out and replace it with the other one. So as you can see, we've got the 6 mounting brackets already there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift this solar panel, just put it to the front of the van. In fact, just draw a few little marks on the roof where these brackets want to be, so we know where to stick them once we do move this solar panel. So I'm just going to get a pen now and just mark them up, and then we'll move this solar panel. Right then, so I've moved the solar panel now. I've marked on the van where the blocks want to be, so if they do get moved, we know where they want to go. So I'm just going to go around now, and I say the panel's already prepped, so you must make sure you've always got a good prepped panel. So I'm just going to go around now, stick a bit of Sikaflex under this, and I'll put you on a bit of town lights while I do that, and I'll be back when it's ready. Right then folks, as you can see, that's all my 6 brackets up now, and on the edges, I'll just show you here, look, you see we've got this raised beam here, and where this was overhanging, I did actually pack that right out with sealant. I got the nozzle in there and pumped it until it was oozing out the side. Then I just rubbed my finger along and give it a nice smooth finish there, covering any air gaps. So I've done that around all of them. As you can see, we've got a nice finish around it. I mean, it's not the neatest of jobs, but it's not going to be seen, and it's all going to be airtight and watertight. So not that it can leak anything under there, but it's just nice to have a good seal around your components. So I'm going to leave this to dry now overnight, and I'll come back to you tomorrow, and then we'll hopefully get these this solar panel bolted up here, and that'll be end to this little quick fast blast video. So I'm just going to have a clear up now, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, welcome back folks. We're 3 days later now. I've had the weekend, I've been at work, and I say it's 3 days now, I've moved on. I've not got my mic on, so sorry about the sound. I've actually finished fitting this solar panel. I didn't get to film it. The only reason is it's 31 degrees out here, and I just wanted to get it done, so I'm out in the sunlight. It's no fun being out here in the sun doing this sort of stuff. So I'm going to take you up and show you what I've done. Right, so we're up at the roof now. I'll still need to give it a clean down. We've still got bits of plastic on the roof and stuff. But what I've actually done, I wasn't 100% convinced on this sticker flex. I was when I come this morning, I weren't happy with how that had set and fixed to the roof. So I have actually put a bolt in each bracket just to be on the safe side. It's just peace of mind at the end of the day. I have put rubber washers under there, and we've got sealant there as well, and on the inside we've got rubber washer with a metal washer behind it, so I can't see it being any problems. We've got a good seal all the way around here as well with the sticker flex. And then how we've bolted it to the vehicle of the solar panel, we've gone through the side of this ABS plastic straight into this aluminium strip, and we've done that on every bracket as well. So I do need to give it a bit of a clean up here. I'm really happy with that. That's the solar panel fixed to the roof. We're not going to be doing the installation of the wiring yet, because obviously we ain't got the fuse box and all that. The next job on this, I've just ordered some insulation, and where I've drilled through the van, it's actually inside this little cavity here. So I just drilled a nice pilot hole there, and the nut is actually sunk up in there. As you can see, the sealant on the end of the nut, so it's well sealed up there. And I will keep an eye on that before the roof goes up, to just double check that we ain't getting any leaks. I will spray the hose up there and get a good lot of water on that roof and make sure there's nothing up or untowards, because if there is, I want to address it before we start cladding all this and insulating it and covering up, because we'll never know otherwise until a long way down the line. You can see one of the side windows is open. Fantastic addition they are. It does keep it really cool in here now. It's nice and cool with these tinted windows on the back. Yeah, so I say this was just a little short one. I'm sorry I didn't show you me actually screwing the panels to it. I say it's too hot out here. That's why I'm going to wrap this video up now. I'm going to go inside and get the air conditioning on. So until next time. Oh, wait a minute. I've had a little parcel come in the post as well, and it's from Mend It Man, Luke and Laura at the Mend It Man channel and mowers and stuff. So if you haven't got Mend It Man, I'll leave a link down below for his channel. He does the same as me. He does motorbikes. Well, I say motorbikes, he does scooters. The little Pooch Max is, he's doing a Peugeot Speed Fight at the minute. He's got a little Yummy Scrambler. What else has he got? He's got a Subaru he's working on at the minute. It's got an oil leak on the sump. He's got his Volkswagen T4, I think that one is. I'm not sure if he's going to be doing a little conversion like me on that, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested in that. And he also does the small engine stuff as well. But yeah, so if you do want to see someone do that, I mean, he's not on it yet, but he's starting to do an engine transplant in it. So if you're into all that sort of stuff, I'll drop his link down below. Go over and tell him what he sent you across, and I even showed you what he sent me. In one of his previous videos, just renting a new unit, and he had about 3 or 4 other units where he's got mowers and all these vehicles and everything stored in. And he was just doing a tip run. I see a few lawnmower handles for the Honda Izzes in there, and I did notice a couple of these on his handles that he was taking to the tip. So I just dropped him a message and said if he had a few spare, can you just let us know and I'll sort you out for something. He's not told me what he wants from yet, so I'll have to sort him out with something anyway, because I don't expect it for nothing, because he's paid for the postage as well. So really appreciate that, Luke, and I'm just going to leave it here now for this one, and until next time, we'll see you about.